This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Unclip the prop and support the bonnet. Fully apply the handbrake. Place chocks each side of the rear wheel. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Rotate the engine oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Position a suitable container beneath the engine sump. Unscrew and remove the sump drain plug, allowing the old oil to drain into the container. Examine the sump drain plug seal and renew it if necessary. Refit the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Reposition the container under the front of the engine. Then, using a filter removal tool, slacken and remove the oil filter. Be prepared for oil spillage. Mop up any spilled oil and remove any dirt or sludge from the filter sealing area. Apply a smear of clean engine oil to the sealing ring on the new filter. Manoeuvre the filter into position, then tighten it by hand only. Don't use any tools. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Don't forget to remove the chocks. Using a funnel to reduce spillage, add the correct grade of engine oil a little at a time to bring the level up to the maximum mark on the dipstick. With the level correct, reinsert the dipstick and refit the filler cap. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes, while checking for leaks around the oil filter seal and the sump drain plug. Note that there may be a delay of a few seconds before the oil pressure warning light goes out when the engine is first started, as the oil circulates through the new oil filter and the engine oil galleries before the pressure builds up. Stop the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle in the sump once more. With the new oil circulated and the filter now completely full, recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil as necessary. Clip the prop back into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.